of information, sir.
Yeah.
What can you say about the current situation of the country?
Well, Nigeria has been nice actually. Ever since independence, Nigeria has been very great. What? Everything is booming, business is working, there is job everywhere, Education is extremely perfect. Have you seen no strike, no nothing. We can talk about electricity too. There's lights everywhere, like every single place where you get in Nigeria now there's lights.
Shut up there, Papa to the light. Shut up there, Papa to the light. Shut up there, Papa to the light.
Yeah, some niggas to the Elisha. See packaging, you the Elisha. Spit fire from your mouth like Elisha. You know get shit, why you to the Elisha? All these niggas be like, shit, you know me now. I done chop my money like Indomie now. I done travel around the world while they go me now. I don't like Hennessy, they bomb me now. You be dry clean.